Hi, YouTube fans. It's me, Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. Today, I want to share some bad news. Unfortunately, I got a copyright strike, and this is on the Test Out PC Pro Upgrade a Video card. So it's been removed, and I emailed Comp. Let me show you. It was Comp TIA. So I emailed them. So we'll see what happens. So right now, I'm just going to put everything not on public, just kind of like on the lowest membership, just so not everyone can see all the videos. And then I'm waiting to hear back from them and see if we can work together, because I know this channel helps so many students. I would hate, I think they could just copyright strike 3 more videos and then my channel gets shut down. So I would hate to see that happen. I'll keep you posted. So I'm still here and hopefully trying to work with the company. Thanks. Till next time. Bye.